In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage remote teams with Asana. This powerful tool can transform the way you coordinate and organize your team's efforts, even if you're miles apart. Let's dive in and see how you can set up and optimize your use of Asana for effective remote management. To start, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, you can easily get started by clicking Get Started or Try for free, and follow the instructions to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to set up your Asana workspace. This is your command center where all projects will live. Getting this right is crucial as it helps keep everything organized and accessible. Next, let's talk about creating projects. For each team or initiative you manage, set up a dedicated project. For instance, you could have separate projects for content creation, marketing campaigns, and general team tasks. Think of these as the overarching categories under which all specific activities will fall. Now, once your projects are established, it's time to break them down into more manageable components. This means creating individual tasks for every item on your to-do list and further dividing them into subtasks if necessary. This not only keeps everything organized, but also clarifies who's responsible for what. It's a great strategy to prevent overwhelm and boost productivity. Assigning tasks is your next critical step. Ensure that each task is clearly allocated to a team member with specific due dates. Clear assignments leave no room for uncertainty about who needs to do what and by when. To further organize your workflow, use sections within your projects. Sections can help categorize tasks by their state of progress, priority, or any other logical categorization. For example, in a content project, you might have sections like ideas, in progress, and completed. This visual organization can greatly enhance clarity and focus. One of the real benefits of Asana is setting priorities and deadlines. You can mark tasks with high, medium, or low priority, making sure everyone focuses on what's most critical first. Establish explicit deadlines for each task using Asana's capability to manage time zones. This ensures all team members are aligned time-wise, no matter their location. Next, to foster communication and collaboration, make use of Asana's commenting feature. Team members can pose questions, give feedback, or provide updates directly on tasks. This centralizes all project-related discussions, eliminating scattered email threads and keeping your communication easier to track. Moreover, you can link tasks to indicate dependencies, allowing everyone to see which tasks need to be completed first. Additionally, attaching necessary documents, images, or links directly to tasks keeps all resources within reach in a single convenient location. By implementing these Asana strategies, you can streamline your remote team management, ensuring everyone is coordinated, informed, and working towards common goals. Embrace this tool's potential and watch as it transforms your remote work dynamics. Happy managing!